Xiaomi Redmi 10 2022 is expected to be released on April 18, 2022. The smartphone will come in a variety of colors. Let's have a look at the details. A 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels comes standard with the latest Redmi model. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and houses the front camera embedded into the punch hole layout. The screen's 20:9 aspect ratio creates a greater viewing area with an 84% screen-to-body ratio. On the right side of the phone are the power button and the volume rocker. A pixel density of 405 ppi is available on this screen. The MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core processor powers the Redmi 10 2022, which has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded up to 512 GB via a dedicated card slot. The phone has a quad rear camera with a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a f1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor with a f2.2 aperture, a 2-megapixel macro lens with a f2.4 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth lens with a f2.4 aperture. It has an 8-megapixel selfie camera with a f2.0 aperture on the front. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18-watt fast charging through USB Type-C connection, according to Redmi. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor on the side, face unlock, a headphone port, and infrared. The phone is powered by MIUI 11, which is based on Android 11. In addition, this phone also included these features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, 4G Volt, USB OTG, NFC, and GPS. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch.